Hi everybody and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial where we will build a complete portfolio website using WordPress, AI tools, and the Divi theme. By the end of this video, you'll have a modern, clean, and mobile-friendly portfolio website to showcase your work, whether you are a designer, photographer, developer, or freelancer. To follow along, you will need a domain name and web hosting. You will also need access to the Divi theme. We have placed a link in the description where you can try Divi from elegant themes at a great price. Let's begin. First, we need to set up WordPress. If you do not already have a hosting account, choose a hosting provider that supports one. Click WordPress Installs. Most major providers like SiteGround, Bluehost, or Hostinger have this feature. Once your hosting account is set up, go to your hosting dashboard and look for the WordPress installation option. Follow the steps to install WordPress on your domain. Choose your site name, admin username, and password. After the setup finishes, you will be able to log into your WordPress dashboard by using the credentials you just created. Now that we are inside WordPress, let's install the Divi theme. You need to have an Elegant Themes account to download the Divi theme. You can find a link in the description to create an account and get access to Divi. After logging into your Elegant Themes account, download the Divi theme zip file to your computer. Now return to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance and click on Themes. At the top, click Add New. Then click Upload Theme. Choose the Divi zip file you downloaded and click Install Now. Once it is installed, click Activate. Now Divi is active on your website. Next, we will clean up the site and prepare it for customization. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Pages. Delete any sample pages that are already there. Then go to Posts and delete the default post. Now it is time to create the pages for your portfolio site. We will create 3 basic pages: Home, Portfolio, and Blog. Go to Pages and click Add New Page. Title this page Home and then under it, choose Use Divi Builder so that Divi can take full control of the layout. Click Publish. Repeat this for the portfolio page and the blog page. Now go to Settings, then Reading. Under your home page displays, select a static page. For the home page, choose Home. For the Posts page, choose Blog. Save your changes. We will also set up the menu. Go to Appearance, then Menus. Give your menu a name like Main Menu and click Create Menu. On the left, check the boxes for all 3 pages we created and click Add to Menu. Drag the items into the order you want. Then under Menu Settings, check the box for Primary Menu. Save the menu. Now we will begin designing using Divi. Go to the Pages section and click Edit under the Home page. Click the purple button that says Use Divi Builder. You will be presented with 3 options: Build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or Generate with AI. This time we'll use the third option, Generate with AI, which is one of Divi's most powerful features. When you select Generate with AI, a prompt box will appear where you can describe the kind of homepage you want. For example, you can type something like, create a modern portfolio homepage for a freelance designer with a clean hero section, project gallery, and contact form. Divi AI will process your request and automatically generate a professional layout based on your description. Once the layout is created, you'll see sections already designed for you, including headers, text areas, image placeholders, and calls to action. Click on text to edit it. Click on images to change them. Use the Divi Builder controls to add or delete sections, rows, and modules. Let's walk through the main parts. Each page is made up of sections which are divided into rows, and inside each row are modules. To edit a headline, click the settings icon on the text module. Replace the default text with your own. Click the green check mark to save. To replace an image, click on the image module settings, then click on the image itself. Upload your own file or choose from the media library. You can customize fonts, colors, spacing, and more by clicking the Design tab inside any module. Let's do the same for the portfolio page. Edit the portfolio page, use Divi Builder, and again choose Generate with AI. This time describe what you want. A clean portfolio page with a grid layout to showcase projects, with titles, descriptions, and links to case studies. Divi AI will create the entire page automatically. Customize it by adding your projects. To add portfolio items, use the image or gallery module or even a filterable portfolio module that Divi provides. Click on each module to change the text, add links to your project pages, and upload screenshots. If you want to create individual project pages, you can add new pages and link them from your portfolio. Click the module to edit the fields. You can choose which fields to include, like name, email, subject, and message. Set up your email address in the Email tab so you can receive messages from your visitors. You can also embed a Google Map using the Map module. Enter your address or coordinates in the settings. The same process applies to the blog page. Instead of using a default layout, open the page in Divi Builder and choose Generate with AI. Enter a prompt like a stylish blog layout with featured images, excerpts, and a sidebar for categories and recent posts. Divi AI will build it instantly, and you can tweak it with your own content. Once all pages are generated, you can set global styles in Divi's theme options and customizer. Upload your logo, set your brand colors, and adjust typography. Since Divi AI works with your chosen global settings, your entire site stays consistent. That's it, you've created a full portfolio website using WordPress and AI tools. If you haven't already, use the link in the description to try Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price and unlock its full AI-powered design tools for your portfolio website.